Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode and click on gray sweater next to it to activate it. Following that, just follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you want to disable it completely, click on blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!